that's good. That's really good. Hey guys, today I'm going to be taste testing some vegan chocolate, and I got all of these chocolates from Sprouts. So let's start. First off, I have the Lakanto, I think, monk fruit, 55% cacao chocolate with cacao nibs. And this is a bonus because it's sugar-free chocolate. It's sweetened with erythritol, monk fruit, and yeah, so that's good. You won't get any of the bad sugars. So here it is. Oh, that's good. That's really good. It's good. It tastes like really good chocolate. It's decadent, it's sweet, and the cacao nibs are very, very nice texture-wise. So this is a winner because it's sweetened with monk fruit and stevia instead of just regular sucrose sugar. And then next up we have the Lily's Sea Salt, 70% chocolate, stevia sweetened. So let's try this. Here it is. So it's not as melty as the Lakanto one, but I do like the sea salt flavoring to it because you get a hint of salt with every bite. So also a good choice is the Lily's. So next up, I'm going to try the Unreal Dark Chocolate Peanut Gems. If I can open it. All right, so here we go. These remind me of M&Ms, the peanut M&Ms, so it's really good and crispy. And I thought I would never be able to eat anything like M&Ms again, so this is a good choice if you want some M&Ms. And then this is Lily's. This is also stevia sweetened, so that's a bonus. And this is their dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Pretty good. It's good for being stevia sweetened, and I like the dark chocolate that comes with the peanut butter, so it's a really good mix. I guess I wish the peanut butter was a little more creamy. Otherwise, it's a really good choice for vegan peanut butter cups that are stevia sweetened. And then we're gonna try this Primal Chocolate Midnight Coconut. It says no sugar added and it's organic certified. So there's actually 0 sugars in here. Let's give this a try. Oh. Okay, so here's the back. It's got coconut flakes. And then the front has the chocolate. So this one tastes really healthy, Even though there's 180 calories in per serving, and there's 2.3 servings per container. It's really, yeah, not that sweet. So I think if you're more into like the darker chocolate, you might like this, but I do like my chocolate to be a little sweet. So this so far has not been one of my favorites. The next one here is Free to Be Sun Cups, and it's with dark chocolate and filled with creamy sunflower seed butter. And it says that it's school safe, so that's good in case kids have peanut butter allergies. I guess I've never had sunflower seed butter before, so this is a little strange, and I'm just used to the peanut butter, and of all the nut butters, I like peanut butter the most, so this is a little different. I like that it's creamier than the Lily's, but flavor-wise, I prefer peanut butter cups, but otherwise it's made really good. It's just the flavor of the sunflower butter that I'm not too crazy about. I don't know if I would get this again, but it was worth a try. This is the last chocolate that I'm gonna try. It's by Hu. This is the Hazelnut Butter Dark Chocolate Organic House Ground Cacao. No palm oil, no cane sugars, no soy sugars. I guess it has coconut sugar. And here's the packaging. So there's like a little bit of hazelnut butter in between the chocolate, which is different. It's sweet, but I'm not sure if I'm 100% crazy about it, and it's different. Maybe I would try their other flavors, so it's not too bad. So I would rate all of this. Okay, so I think my favorite was the Lakanto monk fruit 55% cacao with the cocoa nibs. And then my next one would be the Lily's 70% dark chocolate. It wasn't as melty. And then my third one would be the Unreal M&Ms. These were pretty good. My fourth one would be the Lily's peanut butter cups. And then my fifth one would be the Hue one. And then the Sun cups. And then last would be the Primal chocolate midnight coconut. These were my thoughts and reviews. If you have any questions or comments or any other suggestions, I did see a lot of other chocolates that I would like to try from Sprouts, so maybe I'll do that. So let me know. All right, see ya.